I want something that sounds like a new element. Guys, today, day 15 of 30 in this challenge, creating and posting. Let's go! Very too much coffee. 25 minutes, 5 minutes thinking, meditating what I want to do. 5 minutes passed, and I have clear my idea what I want. In the CERN, they would find a new element using antimatter. I was checking a super cool thing, Maxforlive, Max stuff, crazy thing, super cool stuff that you can build there. But more cool if you trust the work of people that is all the time there in front of the computer creating something. I choose to create music. That's why I love when someone is doing something in the clever way that allows me to create and not spend my time of creation developing something. Swarmalators, cool stuff. This is a generative plugin running with Max. I'll grab something from Omnisphere. Echo with the vintage one. Mapping of the time. I'm going to bring some nice texture first. And for that texture, I want like an isochronic tone. There's still floating something. And some spikes out there, right? Barilo. Another cool stuff. Still missing that thing that you say I can listen to this for hours. And that is something about the warmness of the sound.